Take my wire strippers and strip off the outside about an inch or so on the black wire and the white wire. And if you want, you can measure this. See, that's 3/4. I need to go a bit further. And I like to go about an inch because, see, I'm going to wrap these around a screw on the side of the plug. See, now I can hold that one up like that. Strip it, hold it up against there. That's good. Let's see what that is. About an inch, I think. Yeah. Okay. That's what you want so far. See, I went to the store and I got the very same style of plug as before. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use here. Now, before I put that up there, these ears, I'm going to bend these ears off. There's a little mark there. I'm going to cut those off and fit that into the notch of the cut-in box. That way, it'll fit up tighter there, because most boxes are not cut-in boxes and they're flush. This box sticks out enough that for the thickness of the tab. So if I were to screw this on here, now I've got the outside of this metal sticking out that much further, and I'm liable to have the cover plate stick off the wall a little bit. There's a definite little edge there. You want to cut those, score them, and bend them off. Because this is an easy one, we only have this amount of power wires because the power is coming from the box down below and it's just coming up here and feeding this. So that's why we only got one set of wires up here. We've got 2 screws on the right side, 2 screws on the left side. I'm going to screw one of those in because I only need one of those. And so I'll get the other one in. I don't like having those stick out inside the box. I realize the box is a plastic box, but it's just a habit that I get into. See, because I'm going to use these screws, that's why I stripped this back as far as I did. Because now I'm going to put a little curlicue in the white wire and a curlicue on the black wire so I can fish them over these screws. Now there are holes in the back side, but I don't like using those because they could get loose later on down the road. So I always like to be nice and secure with the side screws.